It was a great workout this morning. It was not crowded at the gym, so we had pretty much our pick of the machine to do what we needed to do.
That's always nice when we can just get in, do what we want to do, get out.
Especially when we were 10 minutes later than we wanted to be, just because, you know,
It's hard to get up
an
sometimes.
early morning. It's hard to get up in the morning, but my arm can't even hardly hold the camera. I'm good for. Popping on over to Tractor Supply. I need to get more treats for Snuggles. Not the treat, but his delectable, lickable treat. He loves them things. I also needed some carburetor cleaner and oil for the lawnmower. I got that as well, and now I'm picking up these things. He's wild for them. Mad about them. He loves them. We also grabbed the gas can because we'll need gas for the lawnmower as well. Kelly's gonna do some grape nuts and some Greek yogurt. They're pretty high in protein.
These are pretty high in fiber, and it's like pretty unprocessed.
I'm going to heat up one of these little steaks that was left over, a couple of eggs and some avocado, and I might do a little cottage cheese with the avocado as well. And then I shook up a protein shake and kind of got that chocolate milk taste with it, and that's what I'm doing for my breakfast. Here's that breakfast. I did cover it in Tabasco because I like mine with hot sauce. Not even ashamed about it. I'm working on cleaning the carburetor because it got gunky and the mower wouldn't start more than one rotation, and it'd go puff and then it would stop. So,
Learning something new.
oh, yes we are.
How's it going?
Pretty good, as long as I remember where everything was. Which I think I'll be alright. It's just
Dirty.
really dirty.
The carburetor was filthy, but he got it all put back together. So now, filling it up, we're gonna see if it worked.
I'm not gonna fill it all the way yet.
Good plan. See if we can get it started, and then we'll put more in if it works.
And if something goes wrong, the hose is right there.
The fire department's also right there.
True. Ready?
Yep.
We got that old girl running.
As we saw.
We tried it 3 times and it's still working. Praise the Lord.
Yeah.
Now, look at it.
It's embarrassing.
It is very embarrassing. This thing is a jungle. It looks terrible. Kelly and I are going to, while I'm mowing, I think Kelly's going to do some clipping and de-weeding. But I'll show you after. It's going to look like a whole new thing. And I'm assuming I'll probably want to weed whack when I'm done. Do you think? Or if well, we'll see how long this takes. Because with how tall it is, even on the highest setting on the mower, I'm going to have to go over it a couple of times.
You might have to come out later this week.
Yeah, but later this week or just again next week, I'll be able to mow weekly again now that I have a full gas can. And well, we are finally moving up in the world. If I would have known, I mean, that was not fun, nor was it really easy per se. But the alternative would have been to pay to get it fixed, and that was cheaper for me to buy a carburetor cleaner. I think the carb cleaner was $4.
Oh my gosh, yeah, you would have never been able to pay $4 to get that done.
And the other option was buy a new mower, but this Cub Cadet will be way better than anything you can buy.
Anything we would have bought.
Anything that we would have been able to afford right at the moment. All right, let's just get to work.
Well, we're all done with our yard work for today. We still have a long way to go, but Justin got everything mowed, and I started working on pulling weeds and
I had to go everything twice because it was so long.
yeah.
The next time I mow, because I'll be on a regular schedule now that I have a mower, it won't take near as long.
Yeah.
So just throughout the week here, we'll work on trimming and pulling and cleaning up. But
It looks a lot better. There it is now. It's coming
A
along.
lot less embarrassing. There'll be a lot less of the mulching once I'm able to do it regularly.
Yeah, we have lots of weeds and stuff to take care of, and just like we need to trim some things back, but it's coming along.
We have just been chilling, hanging out today. We had started watching You, and I've been watching The Good Wife as well. I like a good courtroom kind of drama. And we're actually prepping our dinner for tonight, and we are filming our dinners for the week. So you'll have to stay tuned for the next video to see the dinner. We're trying something a little different. It's been pretty cool. All right, we just finished that meal, and that was pretty good. You'll see our review here in the next video, and I think we're going to rest a little bit after that, and then we're going to work on probably a few more projects this evening yet. But
I was thinking we could go for a little walk around the block if you wanted.
we've decided to take a little walk here after dinner. Just a quick one around the block, just to enjoy the beautiful weather and to walk off that dinner a little bit here. When the weather gets like this, the beach is on my mind heavy. I have a hard time focusing. I'm like, man, I just wish we were at the beach. I think they were setting up for like seafood festival or something, and thought Kelly would enjoy that.
That would even be anything that you would notice, because you can't even eat much.
I know, I can't eat most of it. However, I knew you would enjoy it. But anyway, we're talking about our lifelong goals and what we'd like to do, and to be able to just go to the beach for a month and just be like, just enjoy life at the beach. So maybe one day, someday. I think we maybe mentioned Ashman's Cozy Next in a few of our videos. They can get here, down the road, just down the road a little ways from our shop, like a block over. Oh, she did come up and get her sign turned off.
Yeah. Oh, I like those.
The greenery.
No, the little stockings thing.
Oh yeah, they're nice. A lot of nice home decor in there. There's Kelly brick. Your Nana bought you that, right?
Yep.
What doing?
Working on laundry.
Don't look in the dryer. My Unmentionables are in there.
I'm working on laundry all day today, and we've been using this laundry soap for about 6 months or so. And we really like it. It's like really good ingredients, but it smells good. We've been using non-toxic laundry detergent for years, but some of it doesn't smell very good.
Nothing smells good as the Truly Free.
Yeah, this smells.
They're gonna have like the lavender scent must be the drier stuff, right?
It's yeah, I think. I can't remember what this one's just like their original scent, but I don't know
It kind of smells like
what that is.
springy, florally. I don't know. It's really, really nice.
So, I just wanted to share that with you. We've been using a lot of their products,
The Truly
and we
Free.
really like it because, like, this is what the detergent refills come in. So you just get this bottle one time, and then you refill.
And I've been using the Truly Free for the dishwasher soap.
We have this.
And we've tried other brands, and it keeps up with like the name brand stuff. Actually, I like it better than the name brand stuff.
Yeah, they have that. We have all kinds of stuff, but we like it.
That yard looks so good. I can't even get over it. That was a rich little walk. We've got laundry done, or while Kelly working on the laundry here. I think pretty soon we're going to be back to chilling before the big work day tomorrow. Before we get back to work. I'm going to help.
Pays the bills.
I'm going to help fold some laundry.
We're gonna make some no-bake energy balls. I've had them before, I really like them. It just uses oats, peanut butter, honey, and chocolate chips. They're really simple, and I like to have them in the fridge, especially for like a little snack when you just need like an energy boost. But I really like to eat them kind of at night, in place of like a little sweet treat. They're real simple, and you can like add stuff to them. I've seen people do all different variations of them, but they're real simple to make. So the recipe I'm using is 3 cups of oats. This one says you can use old-fashioned rolled or the quick oats. I'm just using rolled oats.
Old-fashioned.
Yep. And then you need 1.25 cups of peanut butter, almond butter, or sunflower butter. So as it turns out, we didn't have quite as much peanut butter as we thought we did. So I'm going to just do half the recipe, which will be plenty for now. So we have 1.5 cups of oats, 3/4 cup peanut butter, then we're going to do 1/4 cup plus 2 tablespoons, or just 6 tablespoons of honey. Or you can use maple syrup if you would prefer that. I just like the honey because, especially this time of the year, the local honey helps with your allergies a lot. I'm going to go ahead and give that a stir.
I bet you think that I should calm down, and that I'm overthinking everything about you, and that we're good the way we are. But I don't know that much about you.
And then we're going to just do a little bit of chocolate chips, about 1/4 cup. I just washed my hands because this is a lot easier to do with just your hands, honestly. It just gets everything mixed in better.
What things you like and what you don't, it's not that long since I met you for the first time. You know we should work it out. You know we should work it out. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? And will you let me down? I know I'm feeling something for you.
And then I'm just going to use this little scooper to scoop them out. I'll put them in this, and then they'll just go in the fridge. If you're doing a bunch of them, I would recommend putting them on a cookie sheet. And then putting them in the fridge for a little while, but they'll be fine like this too.
I don't wanna get hurt, 'cause I'm not ready to give you my
there's the finished product. It made 20 of the little balls, which is like perfect for us. So I don't know that I would have wanted the full recipe.
Well, we're gonna round out our evening by watching a little television, and I gave Snuggle a nighttime treat, which he loved. So he's ready to sleep now. But yeah, I think we're just gonna go to bed. So
I'm on TikTok trying to figure out some things that we could make this week.
ooh,
for the
content
show.
creation.
Maybe for my regular one too. I don't know. I would like to start posting more on there, but I'm like nervous about it. For some reason, I don't know.
Don't be nervous.
I guess I just feel like people are gonna make fun of me, but really, what does it matter?
Makes no difference. True to yourself.
Yeah.
Anyway,
We're gonna head to bed in a little bit, so that is gonna do it for this video. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, make sure that you give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. It is free to create an account to do that, and it helps us a lot. So if you would do that, we would really appreciate it. And we will see you in the next one. Bye.
bye.